So here's how you can get an affiliate link on Amazon. So when people buy after clicking on your link, you will earn a commission. So right now, as you can see, I've got a SD card selected, a 2 terabyte SD card. And what I can do is I can go ahead and click get link in the top right hand corner, and that will generate an affiliate link, which will refer back to me when people click on it. If someone then buys within a 24-hour period after clicking on my link, I will earn a commission for anything that they buy on Amazon. So this is an affiliate link. Now, for you to be able to generate this, you need to be 1, logged into Amazon, and 2, you need to go to Amazon Associates. So if you Google Amazon Associates, the Amazon Associates program will come up. Now, this is country specific. So if you want to promote on Amazon.com, promote and sign up for the Amazon.com Amazon Associates. Once you've signed up and you've got your account and you've logged in, you can see your commissions on the back end. You will then be able to gain access to SiteStripe, which will allow you to click get link next to any product, page, or anything on Amazon. And you can send traffic to anywhere on Amazon. And if someone buys after clicking on your link, you will earn a commission, which you will see in the back end here. This is Amazon affiliate marketing. So we could promote this camera, and you can go ahead and click get link, and you can get a short link or a full link, which refers back to you. So that is how you can do it in 2025 and onwards. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.